Hi, welcome to Statistics. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access the e-text and the software you'll be using for this course. This course is participating in the UCF First Aid program, which is a special program that provides students easy access to the e-text and publisher software at the lowest possible price, and it's also accessed directly through web courses. You don't need to buy an access code or sign on. You'll simply go to web courses and access the book and the software there. And I'll show you how you do that in the next couple of slides. There's two very important things to do before a deadline. And the deadline is coming up fast, May 21st. Number one, click on modules. This is where you'll go to find the e-text in the MyLab Statistics software. And number two is you have to click on course materials. This is where you'll actually purchase the full access to the software and the e-text at a very reduced price as long as you do it by the opt-in deadline, which is May 21st. The book that you'll be using for this course is The Statistics by McClave. It's the 13th edition, and you'll also have assignments in MyLab Statistics. You'll access both the e-text and the assignments directly through the modules link in web courses. So step number one, sign into web courses, and then on the left-hand side, look for a modules tab. Once you click on the modules tab, you'll see off to the right instructor links, but you'll also find some MyLab Statistics links. When you click on that the very first time, either through an assignment or the home page, you're going to be presented with the terms of use, user agreement, so make sure you check agree and continue, and then you can continue on through modules to any of the links that you are trying to work on. Step number two is back on the home page in web courses, you'll notice that there's a course materials tab. Click on that. And when you do, you'll have a screen that looks something like this. This is where you can choose to opt in. And if you opt in, you'll pay 30% less as long as you do it by Sunday, May 21st. So if you opt in by Sunday, May 21st, you'll pay $74.35. This price will actually go directly to your UCF student account as long as you opt in before the deadline. After the deadline of Sunday, the price goes up 30%. So make sure you opt in by the deadline, click on course materials, then check the opt-in option, and then once you click on opt-in, you will receive an email directly to your Knight's email address. Save this as you would any receipt, and then you'll go back to the modules tab in Canvas to locate the My Statistics software and also the textbook. After the drop ad period, so around May 24th, you'll see the fee of $74.35 post to your UCF student account, and it appears as a digital course material fee per UCF course. So what happens if you don't opt in or you miss the deadline? Sometime during the second or third week of class, you will lose access to the e-text and the MyLab software. And if this happens and you want to purchase access again, what you'll have to do is basically go to the bookstore or the bookstore website, and this is where you can purchase access to the e-text and the software. But the reactivation can take 24 to 48 hours because it's a manual procedure. So this is why we're really hoping you'll opt in to save money and time. If you need help with the UCF First Aid program or have questions about it, take note of any of these URLs or the phone number. So, for example, if you didn't get the email or you don't see your course materials tab displayed correctly, check with the UCF bookstore. If you have questions with Pearson, so with MyLab Statistics or the e-text, the very first week of class will have special office hours, so you can jump on Zoom and we can look at whatever issues you're having. This is just the first week of class. If you can't make these office hours, you can just fill out the form by scanning this, and then we can get back to you the next day. You have ongoing support through Pearson Technical Support, so just Google Pearson Technical Support or scan this QR code. And if you do contact the Pearson support, you'll get a case number. Just let them know that you are using MyLab Statistics or Mastering directly integrated with Canvas, and they'll be able to help you out. Most issues can be solved by just clearing your cache and cookies and setting up your browser correctly. So just check out these URLs or scan the code, and then you can update your computer this week so you'll be ready to go immediately. I know you're going to have a great semester, but if you reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.